Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to crochet these cute heart-shaped ornaments. To begin, tie a slip knot. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the beginning chain to form a ring. Chain 4. This chain 4 counts as a triple crochet stitch. Now, do 4 triple crochets into the ring. Yarn over 2 times. Insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop. You now have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. You now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Yarn over again and draw through 2 loops. That's how you do a triple crochet stitch. That's the second triple crochet. Third triple crochet. Fourth triple crochet. Next, we'll do 4 double crochets into the ring. Yarn over once, insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Yarn over again and draw through 2 loops. That's the first double crochet stitch. We'll do 3 more. Second double crochet. Third double crochet. And fourth double crochet. When you reach the halfway point, do 2 triple crochets. If your ring is getting a little tight, slide the stitches to the left to make rooms. Next, we'll be mirroring the stitches on the left. So, do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Followed by 4 triple crochets. One, 2, 3, and 4. Now chain 4. Close the round with a slip stitch into the ring. Moving on to round 3. Start with a chain 4. Then do a single crochet on the triple crochet here. Next, we put extra stitches to accommodate the curve of the shape. Put 2 single crochets in the next stitch. 1 and 2 into the same stitch. 1 single crochet into the next stitch, and 2 single crochets into the following stitch. That took care of the curve. Now do 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. When you get to the middle of the 2 triple crochets, chain 2. Do not skip any stitches. Do a single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. We are back to mirroring the stitches on the left again. Next, do 2 single crochets in the next stitch. 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Single crochet in the last stitch here. Now chain 3. And slip stitch to the 4th chain from the previous round. Loop a slip knot and fasten off. Now, weave in the loose ends and you are done. Thank you for watching. I invite you to check out my other videos on this channel. Bye for now.